Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I am gonna guide you how to apply short stay visa for Netherlands, Dutch, right? It's a very popular tourist destination. So and also it's a Schengen country. So when you apply for Schengen visa, you get access to 26 countries, those who come under that. But yes, there are certain rules. First of all, like you need to find out like if you really need a visa, because sometimes you need, sometimes you don't need, based on your nationality. Like if you are, for example, if a Canadian wants to visit to the Netherlands, it's not required, right? But if some Indian want to do, they do need it. And then you need to apply for this Schengen visa. But there are certain rules. If you are visiting more than one Schengen countries, then you need to apply to the embassy or consulate, where to the country where your main purpose of travel. If your main purpose of travel is same for more than one country, where you then you need to submit to the country where you are gonna stay the longest. And if you are gonna spend equal time in these multiple countries, then apply to the country where you are gonna visit first. So this is very important for you to know. So we'll go through the process is almost same like for the countries, like your physical location. For example, you could be an Indian national living in Canada, so that doesn't mean you don't need this visa. You still need this visa, but the process is going to be like you first fill online form, then you either apply through VFS Global or you apply to their consulate in Ottawa. Similar things happen in India also, like where you apply through VFS or through the consulate. So this is just an example, but the step of like applying, where you fill the form, is like important. So choose your country. So which one you want me to choose? Okay, I choose India. All right, let's go for India. So you need to fill submit a complete and signed visa application form. Okay, consent form not applicable in every case. Passport photos, and now in India, what you can do, VFS Global in New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Jalandhar, Ahmedabad or Hyderabad. Okay, they have so many centers. So in India they have not given or have they given the we use the services. Okay, so they haven't given the option of directly submitting at the consulate. Instead they are going through VFS in India. Okay, in Canada you can also submit at Ottawa. Fine, it depends upon countries. So that's fine. So we'll go for visa application form. So the very first thing is to create an account if this is first time. So let's see how we can create an account on the Netherlands consular services site. Okay, for visa application. Okay, I don't know why the first link did not open. Alright, so the process is, I have already done it before, but I'll guide you. You need to put the email address, send code to my email address. It will send a 6 or 7 digit code. You need to put that and then click on continue. So that's what I'm gonna do. So after you put the code, you have a button verify code, and then you click on continue. You come to this page. So first is email address that I have scrolled up to protect my privacy. Next is like password, repeat password, and your name. So you can see the criteria for password. So I'm gonna do this. Next comes the phone verification. It can be verified either on text message or automated call. So you select. I'm selecting Canada, whatever is applicable in your case. If you're doing from India, do it from India. Like if you have an Indian phone number, do it from India. Alright, I'm gonna do it next step. So now my phone number is verified and I am in my account. On top we have like name, account number, and name, account email, and account phone number. That's why I have scrolled here. Now we can go for the applications. Okay, so now I am in my application area. I have this option, so I'm going to click fill out the application form. Now here country of application is important. You can see where you currently reside in. Okay, so if you are Indian national living in Canada, you must select Canada. So whatever is application. So now I'm gonna click on next. So now next to personal details, very simple details. So I'm gonna just put the details, and then if you have any doubt on something, click on this. Put whatever is applicable in your case. Alright. Next again it continues, and again simple details. I have put sample details. Okay, in whole form I have put sample details, and these details do not belong to any real person who's part of this video. Okay. Next was contact. So it had got my phone number and email, and I just had to confirm that. Now it is asking for the address. Again I'm going to put some sample. Then it is asking this, do you hold the nationality? I select no, whatever is applicable. So I select this. For example, I'm going to put some sample, but you need to do as per your case. Then detail about travel document. Again very simple. It is asking information for EU, EA or Swiss citizen or UK. I select no, and I click on next. Occupation. What should I select? Yeah, why not this? Now employer details as well. Okay, they ask all the details, so I'm gonna put some sample. Okay, journey details. So let's say you're just gonna visit Netherlands, but again it's up to your situation, so that's why I select this. Yes. Purpose of journey, I just select tourism. If you want to put additional information, you can. Travel dates. Okay, I'll just put some sample. I select no for this, but whatever is your case. Type of visa, number of entries you have, so I'm just putting multiple. Member state of first entry, which one? I select Netherlands. Main destination, I select Netherlands. Whatever is applicable in your case. Have you been invited to the? Not invited. Next. Staying at a hotel. Wow, hotel information. Wow. I'm again gonna put some sample info. It is asking visit to another visit. Will you visit another? I select no. Who is funding? Only me. Indicate the type of your support. Credit card, cash, traveler's check, prepaid accommodation, fingerprints. I select no, whatever is applicable in your case. Summary. Okay, let me see. Okay, now if I click on next, it will take me to the next page where I can submit. That I'm not gonna do. This is just sample. And then you got to pay the visa fee, and then you need to schedule the appointment based on the country. So that's how it works, guys, and I hope you're gonna like this video. Please subscribe to the channel.